Okay, so trade recap for Tuesday, 8th of April 2025, London session. I'm going to start just recording session by session, even if it's 2 videos per day. I just don't care. It's easier for me to just like concentrate everything in one video, I guess. So, London session. I'm not going to press the replay function because I'm not going to be able to see the executions. So just imagine there's nothing here to the left, to the right. So, uh, well, maybe I do because this is useless. Then I can't really position myself. Okay, just I'll try to remember when I entered the trade. Okay, so during the Asian session at 1 a.m., we barely took out this, and I was thinking, okay, the ES made a higher high here, then well, did a higher low here. It wasn't so low, the bottom of the candle. So I was thinking at 2, I'm just gonna wait and see what the market does, because I'm not really sure what we can do here. I have no clue on what we are going to do. It opened, it seemed like we were just responding to this order block to go lower, take out this equal high, equal lows. It just didn't, and it just demolished to the upside close to 3 a.m. So I was just waiting because I didn't have any bias here, so why bother entering a trade that I'm not really comfortable with and I have no edge right now just because I'm bored. So yeah. Um I said let's wait until 3, see what happens after 3, and then from there on decide what we're going to do. So at 3, um in the 1 minute chart, at 3 we took out this previous low and we just reacted pretty okay to the sweep of liquidity. So I said I'm entering this long until for the session highs. I entered here. I should have waited until the price got again to this, but I was a bit worried that it wouldn't give me an entry here. It would just go up. Um, a little bit of FOMO, so I didn't wait until this. I opened right when this candle closed here. It came down here. I was thinking, okay, I shouldn't have entered now. I wasn't really comfortable or like convinced that we were going to take out these highs, but I just entered long because I saw this sweep of liquidity at 3 o'clock, and when I saw the price go down here, I was very scared of of this position. But um, I didn't close the position. I think I re-entered around here. So when the position, yeah, when we closed here and we touched again this order block in 5 minutes, here I think I added another contract and I moved my stop loss here, I believe, um, which was pretty good move because I'm trying to add to an existing trade that's winning, um, just to make myself a little bit more uncomfortable with the position, um, and like learn to manage that sort of discomfort with an open trade. So it took this, it touched the 5 minute order block. I added another contract and moved my stop loss here, which was like around, I don't know, I don't know how much it was. We took out these highs, and I remember that around this time we started making a SMT divergence here, I think. With ES had taken already the session highs for the Asian session highs, and so I started to get a little bit worried because I thought maybe we just don't touch this. So I'm really not sure what's going to happen. So I put I guess my entry price now was around here, and I put my stop loss right above that at break even, just in case we would go down to not lose money, get stopped out at break even. And when I saw this lows below this and the move to the upside, I said, okay, we're going to take out these highs. This is a little manipulation from price. We take the liquidity from here, we move higher. When we touch this, I'm going to enter again another contract and move my stop loss to here. And we're going to take out this. What happened is that this candle touched, so I entered another contract and I moved my stop loss here. My entry price was around here, I think, so I was like 0.1% in profit if I was stopped out. And I thought that we were going to move here, right from here to here. What happened is we didn't. We took out these lows and then we moved up and took the Asian highs. I got stopped out here. So my trade was actually closed here for an incredible profit of $16, I think. So, um, it was a good move to enter another contract here. It wasn't a good move to put the stop loss here at break even. Um, should have kept my stop loss here, which was like 0.3% of my account in a loss. That would have been the right move. It's not a huge loss. It's less than what I usually risk per trade because I'm trying to risk 0.5%, so it was less than that even. I just got very, very scared of losing this position after holding it for an hour or almost an hour and losing it to an SMT divergence with ES. So I tricked myself into thinking that if I got stopped out from here, that the price was just going to move down and it would have hit my stop loss if I left it here. I should have kept my stop loss here, add another contract here was fine, and just wait for wait to take out the highs. And if we were going to not take the highs and go down again from here and take my stop loss, it would have been fine. It wasn't such a huge loss. But yeah, I tricked myself into thinking that it was the right move. I got stopped out, we took out the highs, so I was happy with the execution of entering the trade. I'm not happy with how I exited the trade. Um, but yeah, it's fine. These things happen. What I learned from this is that I either put the stop loss at break even or I don't touch it and I leave it underwater and that's it. No more trying to trail the stop loss because I get into mental games with myself of just trying to have a stop loss that is going to give me profits and I might cut a trade early and miss out on a lot of profits, which is what happened here. This would have given me almost 4 Rs, almost 2%, and it just gave me like 0.16%. So yeah, it was it was a good trade entering. It was a bad trade exiting. Yeah, exiting. I think exiting. So yeah, you you lose, you win one, you win some, you learn from others, and that's it. That's what I get. So yeah, see you.